we've celebrated the talent and we've encouraged the talent. And I'm sure that many of you have also learned a valuable lesson, that the fact that no matter where you're from, no matter what background you're from, you can come and achieve anything. And like we have seen, people keep on going about, the Nobel Prizes, and we already have a great achiever in terms of Nobel Prizes in Pakistan, and I'm sure that one of you, inshallah, are also going to follow in the footsteps of the very able Dr. Abdul Salam, who was the Nobel Prize winner for Pakistan. A big round of applause for him, inshallah. See, it frustrates me when people shy away from this fact that we produce such a great physics professor, and we've got to highlight that in every single way. And to do that and celebrate more, just a few gentlemen I'd like to bring up on stage. First of all, a dear friend and distinguished gentleman, again in the Pakistani community in the UK for many years, who's done a huge amount of philanthropy and charity in the UK. I'd like to invite Mr. Samiullah, who's a former president of the Board Chamber of Commerce of Pakistan in the UK.
Chief Guest, Zamir Chaudhry Sahab, Chancellor, Government College University, Dr. Ashok Chauhan, Muzaffar Chaudhry, distinguished media friends, and of course the cream of Pakistan. Welcome here to London. Where should I start? Long time ago, I was also a student at Government College. And with me, Chaudhry Muzaffar Sahab is also another Government College, former Ramian. I would say we left Pakistan for higher education. Then we are ever since traveling backward and forward. Coming here, I lived in America, lived here now for a long time. England is home, Pakistan is a motherland. Our love is there for Pakistan. I mean, people living abroad, I think they love, I'm biased, I would say. They love more Pakistan than you guys. But again, there are so many good examples I have come across in business, in education. And everywhere I go, I made so many friends. And they're such a successful and good role models. It's amazing. Today we have Zamir Chaudhry Sahab. He's an amazing role model for all of us. We have been watching Zamir Chaudhry Sahab for a long time. In cricket area, he loves cricket. And also he's a very, very successful businessman. I am in aviation industry. I don't know how many Pakistanis are in aviation industry, but it's a unique industry. I believe if Pakistani students or Pakistanis venture into this area, it's a very, very high dollar product. And of course, technology is there, learning is there, challenges are there. I would encourage it. Some of you should take interest, especially people in engineering side, in this area. You guys will not go wrong at any point and everywhere in the world. You have done very well. Congratulations to everybody. Again, I would say wherever you go in Europe, you are on the European tour, try to learn from the successful people, and good luck to everybody here and in future as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Samiullah Sahab. And next, I'd also like to invite another former president of the UK PCCI, Mr. Muzaffar Chaudhry, to say a few words as well. Thank you so much.
پاکستان کے اسٹوڈنٹ ہیں, پاکستان کی محفل ہے, تو میرا خیال میں اپنی زبان میں بات کروں گا. اور میرا خیال میں ہمیں اپنی زبان پہ فخر بھی ہونا چاہیے اور اعتماد بھی ہونا چاہیے. اور میں یہ سجیسٹ کروں گا کہ ہمارے جو اسٹوڈنٹ باہر کے آ رہے ہیں, سب آ رہے ہیں, جہاں بھی جاتے ہیں, جہاں پیور پاکستانی محفل ہو, کوشش کریں اپنی زبان میں بات کریں. اسی طرح سے آپ اپنا کلچر اپنی زبان پر نوٹ کریں. پہلے شکریہ ادا کرتا ہوں ڈاکٹر صاحب کا. ہمارے گروپ کے چیف ایگزیکٹو چودھری صاحب یہاں ہیں, ان کا میں کہنا چاہوں گا. ہمارے استاد محترم گورنمنٹ کالج یونیورسٹی کہوں گا, جب ہم پڑھتے تھے تو کالج ہوتا تھا, اور جو طالب علم جہاں کے ٹاپر آئے ہوئے ہیں، میں آپ کو بہت مبارکباد دیتا ہوں. صرف یہ کہنا چاہتا ہوں کہ دیکھیں آپ نے اب تک جو اچیو کیا ہے یہ فرسٹ اسٹیپ ہے صرف. ساری زندگی آپ کے آگے ہے. اسی طرح سے آپ کو محنت کرنی پڑے گی. لائف از ٹف، زندگی کافی مشکل ہے. ہمیشہ محنت سے آگے کام کرنا پڑے گا. اگر آپ محنت سے آگے کام نہیں کریں گے تو جو آپ نے اچیو کیا ہوا یہ بھی ضائع ہو جائے. میں صرف یہ کہنا چاہتا ہوں، کہیں بھی ہو، چاہے پاکستان میں ہو چاہے باہر ہو، اس چیز کا ہمیشہ خیال رکھیں اور اپنے ملک کو آگے رکھیں. میں یہ جان کے خوشی ہوئی جیسے پروفیسر صاحب نے کہا کہ کچھ جی ڈی پی کا بجٹ بڑھا ہے پاکستان میں ایجوکیشن کے لیے. ابھی بھی میں سمجھتا ہوں بہت کم ہے، نہ ہونے کے برابر ہے جو بڑھایا گیا ہے نا. بلکہ ایجوکیشن کا معیار ہمارے ملک کا جب سے پاکستان بنا ہے نیچے گیا ہے، بڑا نہیں ہے. آبادی کا ریشو لیں، ہمارے ملک میں جو پڑھا لکھا وہ ہوتا ہے جو سائن کرتا ہے. اب آپ سوچ رہے ہیں کہ معیار کہاں پہ ہے. بہت سخت ضرورت ہے. میں امید کرتا ہوں یہ اچھی طرف ایک قدم ہے اور آئندہ بھی ہم اس کا کام کریں. تھینک یو.
تھینک یو مصطفیٰ چودھری صاحب، بہت بہت شکریہ. میں بھی اردو میری اتنی اچھی نہیں ہے کہ میں ابھی نیکسٹ انٹروڈکشن اردو میں کروں، بٹ I'd like to talk a little bit about the Best Way Group, of which Mr. Muzaffar Chaudhry also has a huge affiliation with many years. And the Best Way Group is it's a huge pride for Pakistanis around the world, and also especially in the UK, because it started from humble beginnings in the UK as well. The founder of the Best Way Group is known to have worked himself in one of the stores that he started, and I'm sure the sirs will elaborate on that later. Sir Anwar Pervez, who's a huge inspiration for all of us around in the UK, and also coming from Pakistan. And we are honoured and privileged to have amongst us today the Chief Executive, the CEO of the Best Way Group here in the UK, Mr. Zameer Chaudhry, who has kindly accepted Dr. Ashraf Chauhan's invitation to grace us with his presence today and be an inspiration to all of the youngsters, including myself over here. And we can learn a lot from him. And as Mr. Samuel has said, that we've been seeing him for a very long time, and it's just gone from strength to strength. And the Best Way Group not only is cash and carry now, but it has diversified business interests in the field of cement, banking, finance, and other business interests, which I'm sure Mr. Zameer will elaborate on. Mr. Zameer Chaudhry, we're honoured to have you here, and please, would you like to
Dr. Ashraf, Vice Chancellor, ladies and gentlemen, children, Assalamualaikum. So, میں تو بیسٹ وے گروپ کے بارے میں زیادہ نہیں کہوں گا. I think lot of people will be familiar. میرے خیال میں آج تو ڈے سیلیبریشن celebrating success of all the students in the room. تو سب سے پہلے میں آپ لوگوں کو مبارکباد دوں گا. And so well done. So اگر انسان کام کرے، محنت کرے اور کرتا رہے تو ایک دن اللہ تعالیٰ بھی مجبور ہو جاتا ہے کہ وہ آپ کو پھل دے گا. اور میرے خیال میں اگر ہم ایز اے قوم یہ چیز سمجھ لیں اور اس کو اپنا بنا لیں تو میرے خیال میں کوئی کمی نہیں ہوگی، کوئی رکاوٹ نہیں ہوگی ہماری. تو بہت مبارک آپ لوگوں کو. اوبیسلی جیسے ایک میری طالب کر رہی تھی کہ آپ لوگوں نے فوکس کیا، بیکاز آپ لوگوں کو فوکس یہ ہے کہ محنت کریں، پڑھیں، وہ گریڈس لیں. میرے خیال میں محنت کرنا ایک زندگی کا ایک حصہ ہے. تو مسلمان ہیں، ہم کہتے ہیں عبادت کا بھی حصہ ہے. اور میرے خیال میں آپ لوگ محنت کرتے رہیں گے، اللہ تعالیٰ بھی آپ کی مدد کرے گا، آپ کو کامیابی دے گا. تو اللہ تعالیٰ آپ کو کامیابی دے، اللہ تعالیٰ آپ کو صحت دے، خوش رکھے، اور آپ اپنے خاندان کا اور پاکستان کا نام ایسے ہی روشن کرتے رہیں. میرے طرف سے
بہت شکریہ. اور زمیر صاحب نے صحیح بولا کہ ہم عبادت کرتے ہیں اور محنت کرتے ہیں. محنت تو ہم کر سکتے ہیں اور محنت ہمیں کرنی چاہیے. اگر ہم گھر میں بیٹھے رہیں گے اور باہر نہیں نکلیں گے اپنی ڈگریوں کے ساتھ تو پھر کیا ہوگا. لیکن آپ کو محنت کرنی ہے. لیکن ایز یو آلویز ہرڈ اینڈ یو نو کہ عزت دینے والا اللہ ہے. تو آپ محنت اپنی کرتے رہیں اور دل لگا کے آپ مزید اور پڑھتے رہیں. اگر آپ نے ابھی ٹاپ کیا ہے اس کے بعد آپ ماسٹرز، پی ایچ ڈیز اور جو ماشاءاللہ جو ہماری چھوٹی بہن جو تھی ہیں جو ابھی ڈاؤن میڈیکل کالج میں جو تھی ہیں ان کی جو زبردست اسپیچ، ان کا نام ملیحہ جی جو تھی، ان کی زبردست مطلب ایک انسپریشن ہے مطلب ینگ لڑکیوں کے لیے خاص طور پہ جو ہم لوگ شائع کرتے ہیں پاکستان میں کہ جو ہے لڑکیوں کو ہم لوگ جو ہے پرسیپشن نہیں ہوتی ہے ویسٹ میں کہ ہم نہیں چاہتے لڑکیاں پڑھیں، ایسا نہیں ہے، ہم چاہتے ہیں کہ لڑکیاں پڑھیں اور ملیحہ جیسی جو ہے ہر گھر میں پیدا اور اپنے خاندان کا نام روشن کرے. تو And finally, I'd like to invite on stage Dr. Ashraf Chauhan Saab, jo abhi inko main embarrass nahi karunga with the long list of accolades that he has, but mashallah, he's just an inspiration to everybody who I know. And unke jo hai, mashallah, he's done so much in the field of medicine and to cure people around the world with nursing homes and whatnot, and philanthropy and charity is an ongoing process for him. Or he's also a former MPA in Pakistan. So without further ado, on his invitation, it is all due to him that this event has been organized today on the able leadership of the PMLL in Pakistan, on this initiative that they've sent these wonderful students. And thankfully, Dr. Ashraf Chauhan has highlighted this for all of us around the world. Dr. Ashraf Chauhan, thank you so much.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's not because of me that we are here, it's because of you that you visited, and that's why we are here. I will disagree because we belong to the democratic country, I think. I think we must emphasize on English. When I was coming, I was listening, and Muzaffar Chaudhry is my more than brother, so I can disagree with him. English is an international language, and we have to live with the rest of the world. When I was coming today from home, there was a debate on one of the Indian channel, and they were talking that 61%, this is not the subject of my speech, but let's finish this language business because I feel very sensitive about it. The day each child of my country will speak English, I can assure you our economy will be 4 times more, if not more than that. Because we have to deal with the rest of the world. When we come here, all the business we do all day is in English. Of course, in our own meetings and our home, our Urdu is the language, but India was trying to make a point that 61% people in India speak Hindi and rest speak other languages, so they were coming to a common. There is nothing in this language. And our Prophet said, learn, learn, learn. But yes, that's fine, Urdu. I think I shouldn't say anything more. You speak whatever you want to, but speak politely. Thank you very much for being here. I would like, because there is time, we want to finish at 9, and I'm very lucky that my chief guest didn't take long, so I have to take his time as well. Can I have the best student of each province on the stage, please? I think we have got 4 or 5 provinces, including Kashmir. Can I have them on the stage, please? And while they're coming, I'll keep talking because I like talking. This is 5th year running we are hosting, and we are very, very lucky. And thanks to the CM Punjab who gave me an opportunity. I have been a member of Punjab Assembly, but that's not my main role. I'm only a doctor. But we get this opportunity, so we get the people here. This hotel is close to us and it's very good, but this year you're missing something. Last year we had this meeting in the other hall and there was a wedding going on. An English couple was getting married. And all of your children who came before you, like the group, they had photographed with them. So I'm sorry you're missing that. We can't arrange a wedding right now. But next I will make sure that there is a wedding happening as well. I am so happy to see how good English you speak and the speeches you made, and I know that you are excellent and the best student of Pakistan. We know that. We know that. And for you to travel abroad, it's a good experience, and it's the generosity of the Punjab government to do that every year so successfully. And I'm sure you have seen London, you have seen a lot of things, but I will take it further from Sami and everybody was Zamir, whoever. But beta, you have started building your life. You have a long life ahead of you. While you are visiting, you are seeing the buildings, you are seeing the history, try to see what you can learn from this trip to make your life better. Because end of the day, it is your life, your parents' life, your brother's life, your sister's life. If everybody among us can do that, whole Pakistan will be the richest country. So your first most important thing is yourself. You learn from us. I want to introduce everybody who's here. We wanted to listen all of you. We know that you all are good speakers, but the time restrictions were there. Here Hina Malik is sitting. She's a lady from Pakistan. She's the first aeronautical engineer and graduated from here. Next to her is Tara Anjum. She is a lady. She is counselor here in this country. And then Nina, which is sitting, she produces movies. So you look at the people. Asral Ikram sitting next, he has been counselor here. And then the frontliner you have met, Sindhu Sahib is sitting, Usman Vardhan Sahib, he's sitting there. Then on the other side, then another message is that you see when we live in England, we are not living in any other country. If you think we are Pardesi, we are not Pardesi. This is our home. And we all, the people here, about 1 million people, we are about 2 million, and include Indian as well. Nina Patel, she is Indian. I purposely asked her to come. And Nina Rich is Indian as well. So you see, you come out of the country, you come out of that little closed society, and you see how big a world is. And the studies, the education, God has given you brain. That is what you need in life. You don't need anything else. If I give example of everybody, I won't give example of anybody else, but I think I have to again mention, you see the service is that you are educating and then you look around the whole world where you get a job. आप पाकिस्तान के लिए नहीं, आपको अल्लामा इकबाल ने कहा पूरी दुनिया के लिए. And when we are here, look, this Ansar Chaudhary sitting here, he is a lawyer, he is very, very prominent. Everybody is doing so much business. Best way group जिनका जिक्र करें जो हमारे भाई, we are proud of them. They have started from here, from humble level, and now they have given jobs in Pakistan to thousands of people. Thousands. And this is the challenge for you because you are more privileged than the other people. You are better. You have more marks. You have better grade. So you're not going to only look after your own family, but you can do for the whole country. So thank you very much for giving us this opportunity. We are very happy to have you here. I hope you learn. You ask when we are going for a meal. Ask us how you progress in life. Doctors are, who is becoming a doctor? Can you raise your hands, please? Oh, wonderful. And you are from Sindh? And why did you say you are only one? I'm from Sindh. We are all from Sindh. Don't say, we are all from Sindh. कोई सिंधियत लाइन है तो these are administrative lines. We love Karachi. Wish we were born in Karachi. Wish we were born in Karachi. You were born in a very enlightened city. But we are not going to talk about the bad things. Inshallah, Pakistan will progress. So we are all together. We have to work hard. And aap log aaye hain, see the world, learn, go back and tell your all बाकी जो पूरे college के लोग हैं, arrange something and tell them what you have learned. And to be serious, we have a lot of challenges. This country has to go further. This country, आपकी नाक में वो कह रही थी कि हम उस जगह पे गिर गए हैं जहाँ से सिर्फ हम उठ ही सकते हैं. That's what you said, and that is actually true. If I'm not lying, it is actually true. We have to rise from the bottom. लेकिन एक चीज ये है, यहाँ पे सामने स्टार्स बैठे हुए हैं. पाकिस्तानी जिस जगह पहुँचता है, चाहे वो टैक्सी चलाता है या बस पे चलाता है, वो दूसरों से अच्छा होता है. पाकिस्तानी individually, Pakistani brain is hard-working, intelligent brain. So, optimism हो, आगे बढ़े. हालात जो है देखे वो ना मेरे हाथ में ना आपके, इंशाल्लाह leaders are capable, they should sort it out. लेकिन मैं मुजफ्फर वाली बात, education is so important. और अगर हमारी कोई फरियाद सुन सकता है, हम पाकिस्तान की शहरी हैं, हुकूमतें सारी सुन सकती हैं. मेरे बस में हो तो मैं सारे का सारा पैसा मैं आपको हिंदुस्तान के एक सूबे राजस्थान की मिसाल देता हूँ. کہ وہاں ایجوکیشن ریٹ بہت بیکورڈ تھا پروونس. تو وہاں کے چیف منسٹر نے 10 سال ہر ڈیولپمنٹ روک کے اس نے کہا میں 10 سال بعد ہر بچے کو میٹرک کیا دیکھنا چاہتا ہوں. جب اس نے یہ کہا تھا the province was under huge debts. آج ورلڈ بینک میں ان کے ڈپازٹس جو ہیں وہ thousands and thousands کروڑ کے ہیں. So education is so important. میں نے زیادہ ذرا بات کر دی ہے میں معافی چاہتا ہوں. But these are the emotions we want you to learn from us, get experience from the world, go back and make this country a successful country. ہم چاہے بیسٹ وے ہو, ہم چاہے کچھ بھی ہو, نام ہمارا, ہم جب بات کرتے ہیں ہمارے بچوں کے پاسپورٹ جو یہاں بچے پیدا ہوئے ان کے بھی اوپر پاکستان کا ذکر ہے. پاکستان از پارٹ آف اس اینڈ پاکستان کا نام اچھا ہوگا تو ہمیں خوشی ہوگی, پاکستان ترقی کرے گا تو ہمیں خوشی ہوگی. سو اینڈ ہم تو بوڑھے ہو رہے ہیں, دس از اے بگ ڈیوٹی فار یو نیکسٹ جنریشن. تو I'll just finish it here. Thank you very much. Zamir sir کا بہت بہت شکریہ, سمی, مظفر, سرور صاحب, everybody. And then بیٹا آپ لوگ enjoy the trip جہاں بھی آپ جا رہے ہیں. اور جب آپ اس طرح جاتے ہیں گروپس میں اور بندے ملیں, اپنے اپنے کریئر کے بارے میں پوچھیں کہ what we can do. میں بڑا نالائق اسٹوڈنٹ تھا ڈاکٹر صاحب, میں کالج میں بھی سیاست کرتا تھا. تو جب میں وہاں ہاؤس جاب کرنے لگا تو پروفیسر افتخار صاحب فوت ہوئے لاسٹ ویک. ہی واز ان پنجاب, ان کا بڑا نام تھا. تو مجھے کہتے ہیں تو نالائق جی, تینوں تے کنے نوکری دینی, بعد دفعہ آ جا. And you know that he died, I cried because that single sentence made my life. تو اللہ کا شکر ہے, we have worked very hard. اور جس طرح چودھری صاحب نے کہا جب آپ محنت کرتے ہیں خدا واقعی مجبور ہو جاتا ہے. وہ کہتا ہے کہ بندہ میری جان ہی نہیں چھٹ رہا, I must do something for him. So work hard and excel more and more. Thank you so very much. بڑی لمبی تقریر ہو گئی, I'm sorry for that. And I think there are 2 formalities, then we'll head for the dinner.
Thank you, Dr. Saab. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. I think the children, the toppers who are standing here in front of me now, I feel old. The toppers standing here in front of me would like to give a token of appreciation to our chief guest, Mr. Zamir Chaudhry, and in the form of a shield. They'd collectively like to present it to him. Please. Dr. Zamir Saab, ji present karenge. This is collectively from the Pakistani contingent to Mr. Zamir Chaudhry, the chief guest, and we'll all collect together. Up in line, group photo bhi kar lete hain. This is a token of their appreciation for inviting me here. This is actually on behalf of the Chief Minister of Punjab, Mr. Shahbaz Sharif. Thank you.
Group photo के लिए आते हैं सारे. Sir, I would request kindly stay for a while. I will.